Hi, welcome to ACE Instruments. I'll guide you through a detailed video here of the ACE Instruments Hospital Cleanroom Monitor, the model AI-CRM 3.1, which monitors the critical parameters of differential pressure, temperature, and humidity in hospital operation theatres and clean rooms. This is a flush mounting type instrument with an external combination temperature humidity sensor, again in a stainless steel flush mounting plate, and also a differential pressure sensor which is built inside the instrument and has the two hose nipple connections, one for positive and one for the negative pressure at the back. The ACE Clean Room Monitor finds extensive applications in hospital operation theatres, pharmacies, and AHU monitoring units. The instrument comes with a powder coated stainless steel back box with a stainless steel front flush plate. The menu programming, the buzzer alarm setting, and also the Modbus communication settings are field programmable using the tactile keypad on the front panel of the instrument. The menu programming is multi-password protected, thus avoiding unauthorized access to the inner working. It has a 3-line, 4-digit, 7-segment display of 1 inch height. That is, each of these parameters has a 1 inch high display and measures differential pressure in pascals as a standard engineering unit. Optionally available are millimeters of water column and inches water column for differential pressure. The temperature readout is measured in degrees Celsius, optionally available in degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity is measured in percentage relative humidity, that is percentage RH. The ACE Hospital Room Monitor measures differential pressure in customizable ranges like 0 to 50 pascals, 0 to 100 pascals, minus 100 to plus 100 pascals. Please pay attention here. The negative pressure for isolation rooms and also anti rooms can easily be accommodated since the instrument is capable of measuring in negative pressures also. The other ranges being 0 to 1000 pascals. The instrument measures temperature from 0 to 60 degrees Celsius and humidity in the range of 0 to 100% relative humidity. The ACE Hospital Room Monitor has an integrated buzzer alarm. I'll just try and switch it on for you by increasing the pressure manually you can see the working of the buzzer alarm. I'm just trying to increase the pressure. This is the pressure alarm. What I'm going to do is I'm going to acknowledge it using the acknowledge key. So you can see the pressure, though was exceeded, we still had managed to reset the buzzer alarm. The integrated buzzer alarm is programmable by user for any ranges, both low alarm and high alarm for each of the 3 parameters of temperature, humidity, and differential pressure, so that the user is alerted on field if the temperature or differential pressure or humidity readout is either lower than the desired readings or exceeds the desired limits. The buzzer alarm can be enabled or disabled as I just showed you. The instrument works on 24 volts DC. It is provided with an adapter for functioning on 230 volts AC, 50 Hz or 60 Hz for use in the Middle East and Saudi Arabia, and also on 110 volts AC in Europe. And it's also available as an option with RS485 Modbus communication port, which enables the instrument to be connected to a BMS, EMS, SCADA system directly. You may reach us for any application or customization request at sales@acefirst.com, or you may call at India time on +91 98 490 77600. Thanks for watching.